It is always silk press season with SilkOut system because our smoothing treatment offers the ability to manage texture safely and give you the protection and the ability to fight frizz and humidity all year long. So let's get into this. This system is a professional use system only, and it is cysteine amino acid base. So it's made with all botanical ingredients, but very powerful. And the science is different. The ingredients are different than traditional relaxers and keratin treatments as well. But this is going to allow for clients to just have manageability. So what I'm doing right now is our general technique. This is for someone who goes back and forth, who enjoys wearing their curls, but also enjoys wearing a silk press as well. So they're open to having gentle reduction of the curl pattern or the slightest reduction of the curl pattern. And this is going to give them the best of both worlds. So here I'm using the actual smoothing treatment, which comes in a cream. I've prepared her hair by clarifying it. And now I am going in with the treatment to apply and brush through. Unlike a relaxer where you need to put tons of product on the hair to cover the whole area, this product has a low molecular weight, so it easily absorbs into the cortex layer of the hair and starts to do uh, the first of its double functions. The first function is hair restoration. And you guys, did you know cysteine builds disulfide bonds in the hair? Okay, so it is a natural bond building product. This is what's the difference in our treatment. You automatically get that inner deep restoration of the strand. So I've applied the treatment. She's going to go into the dryer for about 30 minutes, and now I'm rinsing it out. This is our single process technique. We have multiple techniques depending on the goal for your client's hair, and we teach that in our certification course. So I'm rinsing the treatment out, and I'm going to go in with step 3, which is our moisture balance mask, which brings the pH of the hair back to 4.5, 5.5, which is where healthy hair lives. The treatment is amino acid based, which is a form of protein. It is acidic. And so we have to rebalance that and bring that pH back to 4.5 to 5.5. So I'm going to apply the moisture balance mask. It is so important not to skip this step. And I know some stylists, for whatever reason, because the hair feels so amazing with the just rinsing the treatment, but that is not the end you must follow with the moisture balance mask, okay? Anytime you're using protein, there must be a balance of moisture, okay? Okay, all right, so I gotta see if I can flip this slide around. I'm still getting used to my angles and stuff with recording content. So now I'm going to prepare her hair for her silk press. So when I rinse this out, I'm going to go in with the blowout cream and I'll replenish to blow her hair out. And I'm going in now with a little bit of polish. And all 3 of these products have heat protection in it. So she's layered in with 3 products with heat protection. And no, it's not going to weigh her hair down. Some people think the blowout cream, just because it's a cream, may be heavy, but it's not. It adds a lot of body bounce, protection, and moisture to the hair. And the blowout cream can also be used as a standalone product as a leave-in moisture styler. I actually do my twist outs with the blowout cream and a little bit of our reform foam styling product. But here I'm doing a blow dry. So the treatment's been processed in her hair. It has been rinsed out. And now we're going to start to activate it with heat. So the first thing to do is get the hair straight with the blow dryer. And then I will go in and do my passes. Passes with the flat iron is what activates the smoothing properties of cysteine, okay? And simply put, it rearranges the bonds. So not only does it build and strengthen, the use of heat in the treatment gently reforms, reshapes the bonds. Now, this is a single process application, so we're not going to rinse this out. This is for minimum curl reduction. So she's wears her hair curly, sometimes wears her hair straight, but this is going to ensure that this summer her hair can withhold her silk press. So I'm using a combination of my ceramic pressing comb to just get closer to the roots, and then I'm using my flat iron and doing passes in the root. This is not her first treatment. This is her, I think, her third treatment in the last over a little over a year. Um, Actually, this is my second time doing her hair. The last time she went somewhere and got a keratin treatment, but you see she's back for the SilkOut Smoothing Treatment. So now I'm just trimming her ends. I've done all the passes, trimming her ends. And once I trim her ends, I'm just going to finish her off with some large loose curls and finger comb her hair out. So this is a single process application. Great for girls with curls who want the best of both worlds. Sometimes you want to be straight natural. Sometimes you want to enjoy your curls. All the time you want your hair to be healthy. And that's the benefit of SilkOut Smoothing Treatment. If you're a stylist looking to get certified, visit silkoutpro.com and register for one of our upcoming certifications. And of course, if you're a consumer looking for a stylist near you, visit our website, silkoutsystem.com, and check out our salon locator to find a certified SilkOut Pro stylist near you.